Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Today I am drawing a simplest, easiest scenery just for beginners, so take out your pencil and a scale. I am using a 2HP pencil. You can use any pencil you are comfortable with. First of all, I will draw a straight line, then a diagonal line, space in between and another diagonal line. Now drawing some plants or bushes right above that straight line on the right side. Similarly, right above on that straight line on the left side, drawing some more bushes. I hope you like my drawing. Do comment on my drawing how it is and what should I make for you in future, and never forget to subscribe to my channel. So keep watching till end. Now I'm drawing a house over the bushes just like this. A door, a window in it, and drawing another adjacent house just right there. Drawing a banana tree just at the back of the house. My audience are giving good response to me on my videos. I'm very happy with this, and I'll work more harder for you and make more easiest beginners drawings. Now I am drawing a tree on the left side. Similarly, another tree just right next to it. I have drawn a sun in between and some more bushes on the straight path. So my drawing is about to complete. Don't forget to like and share and comment and watch the full video.